Welcome back. The United Nations Climate Change Conference, known as COP28, is off and running, kicking off yesterday in Dubai. COP28 is one of the biggest gatherings of world leaders of the year, with the likes of King Charles, British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, and thousands of others expected to attend. Though it began just yesterday, deals to fight climate change are already being made. CNBC's senior climate correspondent Diana Olick joins us now with more on this. Diana, good morning. So what can we expect in the coming week? What impact could these decisions really have on the economy?
Well, good morning, Joe. Yeah, representatives from nearly 200 governments are at the COP trying to ramp up their response to climate change. And a lot of that comes in the form of more money. And that's why representatives from corporations, big banks, investment funds, they're all there, too, trying to get in on that cash. Opportunities in the clean energy transition, infrastructure, climate tech, and resilience. So there's a lot of money here at stake. Joe?
Diana, Breakthrough Energy, that's a sustainable energy project founded by Bill Gates, is expected to announce major funding for 3 projects in Europe. What more can you tell us about that?
Yeah, and that happened just about an hour ago at the COP leadership. The UAE announced a new $30 billion climate-focused investment vehicle called Altera, which will be the world's largest private investment fund for climate action. And it aims to mobilize $250 billion globally by 2030. But again, this morning, Breakthrough announced an investment of 240 million euros, or just over $250 million, with the European Investment Bank for 2 projects, actually 2 of 3. One of those is funding Danish energy company Ørsted's e-methanol production facility to provide green fuel for the shipping industry. And I spoke with the executive director of Breakthrough Energy, who's in Dubai now, about what COP will mean overall for businesses.
It's an opportunity to connect companies with finance partners and industry partners. And we're looking to make deals to accelerate clean energy into the marketplace.
Now, to give you an idea of the money at stake, the U.S. now experiences a $1 billion weather disaster every 3 weeks. That compares with every 4 months back in the 1980s. And one study found that investing a little less than $2 trillion just in climate adaptation could add over $7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, Joe.
So, Diana, I mean, climate's been making headlines all year now. The World Meteorological Organization confirmed in its State of the Global Climate report yesterday, this year, 2023, will be the warmest on record. That really is just a reminder of what's at stake at this conference, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, when you think about it, all of the disasters that we've seen this year, you say it's the warmest on record, but think about the fires in Maui. Think about the fires in Canada that blanketed New York City with smoke and flooding across the globe all year. There's an added urgency, it seems, this year. You know, I was in Glasgow 2 years ago for COP26, and there was excitement that the U.S. was back in the Paris Agreement and President Biden was there. This year, there seems to be much more of a sense of urgency that we are moving toward disaster a lot faster than even we thought 2 years ago. And that's why you're seeing so many world leaders there. You're seeing so many heads of big corporations, and you're seeing so much money being put up to fight climate change.
All right. CNBC's Diana Olick, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.